How to download YouTube videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download YouTube videos safely on your phone. Whether you want them for offline viewing or personal project, this guide has got you covered. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here I'm telling you first before starting anything that YouTube doesn't allow the download option on all the videos. As here, if the content creator has allowed downloads on the videos, then only you can download it. Otherwise, you can't download any videos from the YouTube. So here, once you have opened the YouTube, you simply have to find the videos which are downloadable, and here once you have found the video, then you can just tap on the download button which can be seen under the video. So here I'm gonna simply tap on download, and once I tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In this menu, I simply have to choose the quality. So here after choosing the quality, I'm gonna simply tap on download, and after that the video will be available offline in the YouTube app. And this method is 100% legal and supports the creator you love. And that's it. That's how you can download YouTube videos. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.